The African savanna is full of many biotic and abiotic factors. Biotic factors include zebras, antelopes, lions, cheetahs, elephants, rhinos, hippos, wildebeest. Plant life that are in the savanna can include jackalberry trees, whistling thorns, and manketti trees, and most of all, lab trees. Throughout the savanna, there are many decomposers, which include insects, worms, termites, and fungi and mushrooms. A natural decomposer is fire. It breaks down all types of dead matter into fresh fertilizer for the wet seasons and the dry seasons. Some abiotic factors include the two seasons. That the wet season it lasts from May through November, and it is also breeding season for most animals in the savanna. During wet season, it is calculated to be 15 to 25 inches of rain. The African savanna may be anywhere from 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, and will keep at this constant rate throughout the year. Dry season, however, lasts anywhere from October through March, and over this time period, only 4 inches of rainfall will occur in the African savanna. Also, during the dry season, the soil becomes extremely unfertile, and many of the small shrubs and grasses die due to. Throughout the year, the African savanna may be anywhere from 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, and will keep at this constant rate throughout the year. Elephants, wildebeest, and buffaloes, as well as other animals, are all subject to habitat loss. They are all threatened by the proposed Serengeti Highway, which would bisect their land and may come into more conflict with humans, such as pollution or possibly getting hit by a car. Elephants in the African savanna face habitat loss and fragmentation because of the expanding human agriculture. Organizations like the Animal Wildlife Foundation help to engage with other communities in the area by providing tools and techniques for sustainable agriculture growth that can feed their whole population of humans. Consist of primary producers, which consist of plant life that provide energy for primary consumers, such as termites that will be eaten by an anteater, and finally will be preyed upon by a tertiary consumer like a hyena. Animals such as the African black rhinoceros has a dwindling population down to 3,500 left on the earth. Because of this small number of black rhinoceros is due to poachers who sell their horns and skins. These animals are put into high alert because of the recent extinction of their cousins, the African western black rhino, which was announced extinct in 2011. As animals are being enclosed to less and less acres of land by the year, it is important to realize that animals will leave their habitat in the savanna and immigrate to a new part. This may disrupt the natural food chain and leave much more animals hungry and may die. Invasive species such as fire ants are not native to the savanna. The fire ants in turn replace the native species, which caused a massive change in the biome food chain. By eliminating other arthropods in the habitat, fire ants in the savanna often tend to eat plants that are needed by other species and interrupts the savanna. Elephants help the habitat specifically by eating shrubs and trees. This keeps the savanna clean and allows other grazers to survive off the newly fertilized land. Animals that have been massively declining by their population have been assessed by the IUCN and are on critical watch, such as animals in the red list include 3 branded armadillo,